Hello everyone, MickeyBlog.com. We are going to bring you into a newly reimagined Moana themed room here at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Let's go take a look. So as you can see when you come in, it is very bright in here. Here's the bathroom. 2 sinks. It is a split bathroom now with the ability to have somebody in the bathroom area in the back there and then somebody in the front area here. So this is the shower, and you can see it is very Polynesian themed. What's nice about it is it does have 2 shower heads, one overhead and one below. Nice towel rack there. And the interesting thing about the artwork here is that there are a bunch of hidden Moanas. If you look in the bottom left corner there, you'll see Moana. Very ample closet space here. So if we open up one, you'll be able to see a lot of shelf space. There is a safe if you have any valuables with you as well. And plenty of room. Over here, we have a Keurig machine and a ice bucket. Very Polynesian themed, and inside here they used to have it out where it would take up a lot of space. Now you have all of your coffee supplies right inside the drawer, which is pretty cool. There is a door here if you have a family next to you that you want to share some space with. So this is a king bed sized room. You can see the headboard. Everything is Polynesian themed. The lamp here. This artwork on this wall is pretty cool. We have a little bit of a glare, but if you could see, it's a scene right out of the movie, it seems. Moana down by the edge of the water there. There is a smart thermostat that is now on the walls. They've removed the carpeting and the floors are now nice and shiny, brand new. So the dressers are pretty big as well, and certainly Moana themed, Polynesian themed. Here's your TV on the wall. I'm guessing that's a 55-inch smart TV. So the wallpaper has some of your favorite characters from the movie, as does this lamp right here. So the lamp, you can see, is adorned with some of the characters on the lampshade here. We'll give you a view this way real quickly. So the bed right there, it's got a nice colorful pillow on top of it. What's really nice about this room as well is there are some reading lights right here. So if you pull this out, the light automatically goes on. So, and it angles if you want to do some reading late at night and people you are with are asleep, you can turn out the lights and then just use the little lamp right there. So again, we have this pull-out sofa right here with these beautiful pillows. And certainly you can see the theming continues onto the drapes. And what's really nice is we can go outside here onto the balcony. This is a standard room right here, guys. So this is the view you get with a standard room. There's the wedding pavilion in the distance with the Grand Floridian as well. This walkway takes you to the Grand Floridian and actually will take you all the way to Magic Kingdom as well. So it is quiet here at the Polynesian. Right back here, it's hustle and bustle inside the Great Ceremonial House. Here's the new furniture, the new patio furniture right here. And here's a look back inside the beautiful room. You can see the lamp on the ceiling there, or not the lamp, but the light on the ceiling there, which is pretty cool. And there you have it. This is a newly reimagined Polynesian Moana themed room. And it's beautiful. So if you're thinking of booking one of these rooms for you or your family, reach out to our friends at Mickey Travels, MickeyTravels.com, making magic one vacation at a time. That's 100% free Disney vacation planning, MickeyTravels.com, making magic one vacation at a time. Bye-bye, everybody.